So, good morning, class. Once again, I'm teacher Okaka Edwards, an international teacher, and today I'm back with our topic that is the subject learning area. It is biology, and we are going to learn about the topic nutrition in plants. And under nutrition in plants, we look at process of photosynthesis. And in process of photosynthesis, remember in our last class we learned about a definition of photosynthesis, and we defined photosynthesis as the process by which plants, that is green plants, manufacture their own food in the presence of sunlight as a major source of energy. And so when we look at the process of photosynthesis, we look at it in terms of two stages. How does photosynthesis occur? And photosynthesis generally occurs in two stages. The first stage is normally the light stage, and we will just look at in which structure of the chloroplast does the light stage occur. And in that stage or in that particular structure, how does it occur? What are being broken down, or what is being broken down, and what is now the essence after having been broken down? What is it useful for? So we drew in our last class, we drew the structure of the chloroplast. In that structure, we saw two structures, basic organelles. That is, one we saw the stroma, and the other one we also saw, or we looked at the granum. So light stage basically occurs in the granum. Light stage occurs in the granum, and in the granum, that is where the photolysis occur. Photolysis is the general breakdown of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. So we are saying that in the light stage, water molecules is broken down. Water is being broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. So as water molecule is broken down, it is broken down in the presence of light energy. This light energy can be sourced from sunlight. So the light is trapped by the granum. The light is trapped by what is called the chlorophyll. Light energy is trapped by the chlorophyll, and that light energy is what is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gas. So once the hydrogen atoms have been splitted, hydrogen is taken into the dark state and reacts with carbon dioxide to form a simple carbohydrate that is forming a simple carbohydrate, and that is what is called a food substance that is as a result of the process of photosynthesis. So we are saying some of the factors or conditions that are necessary for photosynthesis to occur is normally the light energy, the presence of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll must be available for photosynthesis to occur. So chlorophyll is important in trapping light energy. That light energy that has been trapped is used to split water molecules into hydrogen atoms and oxygen. And they say oxygen can be used for respiration processes. Hydrogen can as well. Hydrogen is then taken into the dark state. So when hydrogen is taken into the dark state, and now hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide to form simple carbohydrate. So that simple carbohydrate is glucose. The simple carbohydrate that has been formed there is glucose. And so that is the general process of the light stage and the dark stage. So in summary, we have looked at two stages in photosynthesis, the light stage and the dark stage. In light stage, water is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen in the presence of light energy, and we've said it is occurring in granum. This one occurs in the stroma. And in the stroma, hydrogen is combined by carbon dioxide to form simple carbohydrate through the process of carbon dioxide fixation, and this one is in the process of photolysis. So photolysis is the process of light energy splitting water molecules into hydrogen. So in our next class, we will look at the other factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. And the assignment that I'm giving today, look at our state 5 factors affecting, or factors leading to the rate of photosynthesis, or factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. And that is what we will start with in our next lesson. Otherwise, I thank you for this class, and we welcome you in our next lesson.